Okay, let me share desktop. So now something we are going to derive is really a tough derivation, and using, and again there exists a symmetry. So later on you will learn a pattern how to remember the derivation, of course, but to really understand the derivation is somewhat tough task, and you need to provide your attention, full attention over here to understand it better. Okay, so we are now going to derive the equations, set of equations using which we can draw the butterfly diagram. I will be deriving the equations for set 1, set की जगह हमने क्या बोला था, stage 1. So then I will be deriving the equations for stage 2, and then we will have the equations for stage 3. Using those equations, we will be able to relate the diagram which we have drawn in the morning, right? So let us begin the derivation for decimation in time FFT, right? Decimation in time FFT, or FFT by decimation in time algorithm, or FFT by DIT method, etc., etc. Now, similarly, we may also derive for DIT IFFT, inverse fast Fourier transform. Okay, but that will be the later exercise. Let us now concentrate on the DIT FFT. So let me write the original equation. Capital X of K equal to, now I have an advice here. Each time I am writing down this equation, you should repeat it in your mind, you should repeat it in your heart, so that it will you will be able to remember it, right? At least up to the examination. So summation small n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into e raised to minus j 2 pi kn by n, and that we have replaced with Friedel factor notations, and it can be written as x of n into w suffix n raised to kn, and we know that w suffix n is equal to e raised to minus j 2 pi divided by n. So when I say wn raised to kn, it simply means e raised to minus j 2 pi by n raised to kn. So multiplying both powers, we have e raised to minus j 2 pi kn divided by n, the original basis signal which is there in the original equation of x of k. So it is valid to write like this. Okay, we should not have any doubt for this. Do you have any doubt? Do you have any problem to accept it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so please remember it. And now we are going to represent this one differently. We are going to represent it as sum of two terms, right? Where one particular term is for even numbers of samples in sequence x of n, and another term is for odd numbers of x of n in the x of n sequence. Okay, but ultimately this total, that is summation part A plus summation part B, should be equal to summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n wn raised to kn, right? It should not change my result, otherwise I cannot write down equal to here, as I have written equal to here, as I am going to derive for x of k only. So I need to be careful each time I am disseminating means bagla padwa. Each time I am disseminating, then I need to check whether the derived version is giving me the same result as this equation, this original equation or not. If it is giving, then it means we are doing the right things. We are doing the valid things. Okay. So for that we need to be careful. Okay. Now let's assume 8-point sequence. 8-point sequence. So capital N is equal to 8, and by putting 2 raised to p equal to 8, we have numbers of stages p equal to 3. Now please remember, for 3 numbers of stages, you need to derive for 2 times. The last stage equations will be derived in last 2 previous stage derivations only. So you need to do derivation for p minus 1 times. This is just for your reference. There cannot be a question like how many total derivations will be there for some xyz sequence. No, right? This is just for your reference. Okay. So now I want to disseminate the sequence into even part and odd part. Let me write down even here and odd here. Later on I will rub it because this don't look good, right? So here I need to write something which will be addressing the even samples only, whereas here I need to write something which will address the odd samples only. Now as total numbers of even samples and total numbers of odd samples are equal, right? Because we have taken the samples to be 2 raised to the integer power. So there will always be equal amount of even and odds. Say for example, in capital N equal to 8 means 8-point sequence, there will be 4 even terms and 4 odd terms. Let me write it down. X of 0 is even ke odd bolo. X of 0 is even.
Even.
X of 2 is even.
Even.
X of 4 is even. X of 6 is even. Should I write down X of 8?
No.
No,
No,
because
sir.
for n
It
equal to
goes up
8,
to x of 7.
yes, it goes up to x of 7. That's why. So let me write down even here. These are my even terms for the first decimation, and similarly let me note down all the odd terms. So which one? X of 1, then x
3,
of 3,
5 and 7.
yes, 5 and 7. So now instead of 0 to 7, can you tell me what should I write here? 0 to how much? Because now this particular part of the equation is going to address 4 numbers of samples only. Similarly, this particular part is going to address 4 numbers of samples only. So if I write down n minus 1 with both of the summation sign, then it will be wrong. It will be wrong thing, right? So I should end up at 3,
N
0
minus 1
to
by
3,
2.
0 to 3. Yes, that's why it must be n by 2 minus 1. Limit should be modified from n minus 1 to n by 2 minus 1. Just think about it. It's a universal thing. Even if you have n equal to 16, you will divide it equally into 8, 8. That's why 16 divided by 2 is how much? 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. And in 0 to 7, you have total 8 numbers of samples. So this is valid for any n point sequence. Okay, now here I need to write down x of something which will pick up, which I am talking about this one, right? Can you see my pointer? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I need to write down for this x, I need to write down its index. You know, index is inside the bracket, right? So I need to arrange the index such that when I vary n from 0 to n by 2 minus 1, it will pick up x of 0, x of 2, x of 4 and x of 6 only. Means when n equal to 0, it should pick up x of 0, When n equal to 1, it should pick up x of 2. When n equal to 2, it should pick up x of 4. And similarly, when n equal to 3, it should pick up x of 6. So can you tell me something
2n.
that can do? Huh?
2n.
Yes, it is 2n. Right? For those who is not clear with 2n, just think about the index inside the bracket when n is equal to 0, when n is equal to 1, when n is equal to 2, and similarly when n is equal to 3. Is it picking up these things 0, 2, 4, 6? Yes, of course. So this is valid. Okay. Similarly, here I need to write something that will pick up
2n minus 1.
2n plus 1.
2n plus 1.
2n plus 1 ke 2n minus 1.
2n
The
plus
plus
1.
1.
Okay. 2n plus 1 is correct thing, right? That's why always simulate the things. Always think about the result once you create something, once you devise something. So 2n plus 1 is correct thing. See, when I put n equal to 0, it becomes x of 1. It should not become x of minus 1. It should become x of 1. That's why 2n plus 1. If you put minus sign here, then it will be x of minus 1. But I need to pick up x of 1. That's why over here I should write 2n plus 1. Okay. Now, what about the w? W n raised to kn. But here when I put n equal to 0, I should have similar twiddle factor. I should have similar basis coefficient. Basis signal no coefficient એટલે basis signal ની એક value એટલે basis coefficient. Okay. So original equation માં n equal to 0 મૂકું તારે જે અહીંયા આવે એ જ અહીંયા આવવું જોઈએ. એવી જ રીતે n equal to 1 મૂકું તે original માં શું મૂકવાથી મળવું જોઈએ? When I put n equal to 1 here, and if I want to cross check with the original equation, what should I consider as n? In the original equation. અહીંયા n equal to 1 મૂકો એટલે શું પિકઅપ થાય છે x of 2. x of 2 જોડે બેઝ આ બેઝ કોએફિશિયન્ટ કેટલો હતો? e raised to minus j 2 pi k પછી શું હતું? x of 2 જોડે
2n મૂકી દેશું.
Yes, it should be 2n, right? n ની જગ્યાએ 2n, and already there is kn here. I forgot to write kn here, right? So already n is there. So instead of n, I should write 2n. Do you agree with me? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then and then we have equality in the result, right? So instead of n, I should write down 2n. So either I can write down 2kn or k into 2n. Which one is better looking?
2kn.
2kn.
Right? So whatsoever you write down, right? If you write k into 2n, then make a bracket, right? Otherwise k to n is meaningless. So k like k into 2n is also valid. Let it be anything, but we have now solved for the first one, right? And similarly we need to think about the second part. So now here I should write to wn raised to, instead of n I should write down
2n plus 1.
2n plus 1.
yes 2n plus 1 into k. Don't do mistake here, huh? instead of k, if you by mistake put n here, then whole derivation will be wrong. ખબર પડી ને? કોઈ કે n માટે અહીંયા લખવા ગયું, પછી મગજમાં એવું રહ્યું કે આ તો k માટે લખેલું છે ને અહીંયા પાછું n લખી દે તો બધી ગડબડ થઈ જાય. So be careful. Here you must have k. એનું કારણ તમે જાણો છો, બરાબર છે? હા કે ના? હેલો, are you following? કેવી ભૂલ પડે એની વાત કરીએ, ખબર પડી? હા કે ના?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you can cross check also, બરાબર. ક્રોસ ચેક કઈ રીતે કરવાનું મેં તમને કીધું જ છે કે 0 મૂકે તારે 1 મૂકે તારે આ ઇક્વેશનમાં શું આવવું જોઈએ અને આમાં શું આવે છે. Okay, but this is correct. So let us proceed. Otherwise, if we go on discussing all things over here, then we will not be able to complete the derivation by today, right? So you may download this recording. You may write down the derivation along with me. I hope you are actually noting down. It's my expectation, and later on by referring to that particular derivation you can discuss any doubt if persists, right? So now this can be written as n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of 2n into w n by 2 raised to kn. Just wait for a while, I am going to prove this, right? These two can be taken below with n. So if I write down n by 2 in the suffix, then instead of 2kn I need to write down kn only. And similarly this can be written as summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of 2n plus 1 into w again 2nk, right? So instead of that I am directly writing down n by 2 raised to kn. ખબર પડે છે ને કેમ અહીંયા 2nk છે? હેલો, ખબર પડે છે? પહેલી ટર્મ 2nk છે.
Yes, sir.
And what is the next term? wn raised to
K.
yes. For someone who cannot understand, let me simplify this here. Wn raised to 2n plus 1 into k is equal to wn raised to 2n into wn raised to k. Why? Because this is nothing but exponential term, e raised to. And you know, in exponential, if you have e raised to x plus y, it is just equal to e raised to x into e raised to y. So with that relation, we can simplify it further like this: 2nk and k, right? So that's what I am simplifying here. So instead of wn raised to 2nk, I can write it down as w suffix n by 2 raised to kn, as you already know, right? I need to prove it, and I am going to do it just in the next step. Wait for a while till. But if you believe this, then this can be written as wn by 2 raised to kn into wn raised to k. Now this is inside the summation sign, so this can also be taken over here, right? If I multiply 2 or any number with each of the product term, right, then it's common thing. That's why I can take it outside the summation sign. Do you agree with me? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
બીજા
Yes,
બધાનું
sir.
શું કેવું છે? હા, બરાબર.
Yes, sir.
ઓકે, તો પહેલા
Yes,
હવે આ
sir.
સમજી લઈએ કે આ કઈ રીતે લખાય. ywn raised to 2kn is equal to wn by 2 raised to kn. This is because of the notation we have taken. We know that we are referring w suffix n as e raised to j 2 pi by n. This is equal to wn. So if I want to write down wn by 2, this should be equal to e raised to j 2 pi divided by n by 2. In the denominator, here there is n. So if I want to write down for n by 2, I should also write down n by 2 in the denominator. Do you agree with me? Say yes or no. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
just
Yes, sir.
just a notation. હા, એવું ના સમજતા કે સફિક્સમાં કોઈક વસ્તુ લખવાથી e raised to ના પાવરમાં આવું લખાય છે. This is just notation. That's why this is valid, not otherwise. આવું કોઈ મેથેમેટિકલ ઇક્વાલિટી આપણી જોડે છે નહીં. આપણે આ વસ્તુને આ રીતે બતાવીએ છે. બરાબર છે? આ નોટેશનમાં સફિક્સનો મતલબ એવો કાઢીએ છે કે જે સફિક્સ અહીંયા લખીએ છે એ e raised to ના પાવરના ડિનોમિનેટરમાં છે એવું આપણે માન્યું છે. એટલા માટે અહીંયા n/2 લખી શકાય. ખબર પડે છે ને શું કહું છું? હેલો,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
બરાબર.
sir.
એવી પેલી
Yes,
જોક
sir.
આવે છે કે કોઈકનું નામ દઈને એવું કહે કે છે ને તે આ બીમાર છે અને પછી એવું ક્લિયર કરે કે એ તો મારા કૂતરાનું નામ છે. એવું આ એના જેવી વાત છે. બરાબર છે કે આ આપણે નામ આપેલું છે. એટલે આ મેથેમેટિકલ ઇક્વાલિટી કેમની થઈ? આપણે આવું માન્યું છે એટલા માટે કે અહીંયા જે સફિક્સ આવે એને, અહીંયા જે ટર્મ આવે એને હું સફિક્સમાં લખીશ. ઓકે, સો વિથ ધીસ વી આર એગ્રીડ વિથ ધીસ. Okay, so now think about this particular Wn raised to 2kn is Wn raised to kn raised to 2. So this is equal to e raised to minus j 2 pi by n raised to 2. So raised to 2, that's why I can write down 2 here, and that's why when 2 goes in the denominator it will be below the capital N. So this is just equal to e raised to j 2 pi by n by 2. Do you agree with me? Say yes or no. Is this correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now what is this? This is nothing but W n by 2. Correct? Ha ke na?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
So can
sir.
I write down like this? Is it correct notation? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So take a snap of this particular, because now I am going to rub these things, right? But how it is like so, for that you need to consider, you need to look at this snap. So take a snap. Have you taken?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me remove this part. And let me remove this also. Let me put it somewhere else. Okay. So this is equal to g of k, right, plus, as this can be taken in the common, right, this can be taken outside, means over here. So I can write down, that's why I can write down Wn raised to k into where is the pointer? Yes, h of k. We have given this name, right? That's why I can write down g of k is equal to summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of 2n into w n by 2 raised to kn, and similarly h of k is equal to, can you help me to write down the things? N equal to 0 to
n by 2 minus 1.
then
X of 2n plus 1.
yes,
W n by 2 raised to kn.
yes. So here also there is a symmetry, so it's easy to remember the equation, right? Once you must know the technique how to arrange the terms, so you will be able to derive for anything. So now please note a very interesting thing or a very important thing, that here the range of k is from 0 to n minus 1, that is 0 to 7. But here the range of k, which we are considering to be similar to n, is half. So here k is varying, right, from 0 to n by 2 minus 1, that is 0 to 3. Here also it is varying from 0 to 3. Do you agree with me? ખબર પડે છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now with variation of k from 0 to 7 over here, I will have totally 8 numbers of equations. But those 8 numbers of equations will have g of and h of ranging from 0 to 3 only. Means g of 0, g of 1, g of 2, g of 3. Yes, for the sake of writing, we can write down g of 4 also. But I am going to prove that if you write down, if you take the same range at both sides, g of 4 is just equal to g of 0. Similarly, g of 5 is just equal to g of 1. G of 6 is just equal to g of 2. And similarly, g of 7 is equal to g of 3. And similarly, I will be proving for h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 0 equals to and so on. Okay, so writing the equation, I have something like rewriting the equation, I have something like x of 0 equals to g of 0 plus w. How much is the n? 8 raised to 0 because k is 0, right? Into h of 0. Similarly, x of 1 is equal to g of 1 plus w8 raised to 1 h of 1. Similarly, x of 2 is equal to g of 2 plus w8 raised to 2 into h of 2. X of 3 equal to g of 3 plus w8 raised to 3 h of 3. X of 4 equals to g of 4 plus w8 raised to 4 into h of 4 is equal to g of 0 minus w8 raised to 0 h of 0. I will prove that w8 raised to 4 is equal to minus w8 raised to 0, right? Similarly, x of 5 equal to g of 5 plus w8 raised to 5 h of 5. બોલો શું આવશે? Equals to
G of 0 minus W8 raised to 1 H of 1.
g of 1. 1 આવશે ને? 5 is equal to 1. આપણે પ્રૂવ કરીશું એટલે ખ્યાલ આવશે. પણ અહીંયા સિમેટ્રી જોઈને પણ ખબર પડી જોઈએ. બરાબર? 3 પછી રિફ્લેક્શન આવવાનું છે તો 4 શું બનશે? 0 બનશે. બરાબર? 5 શું બનશે? 1 બનશે. એગ્રી ધરાવ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Plus w8 raised to 6 h of 6 શું લખું? Equals to
G of
G
2
of 2 minus
minus
W
W raised to 2
H of 2.
okay. And similarly, x of 7 is equal to g of 7 plus w8 raised to 7 h of 7 equals to g of 3 minus w8 raised to 3 h of 3. Let us prove g of 0 equal to g of 4 and all other identity later on. Let's believe this equation right now and let us further disseminate g and k. Later on, after completion of this equation, I will prove this part, that why this is equal to minus w raised to 0, why g of 4 is equal to g of 0, etc. Okay, but Can but have we got the same equations that we had used for drawing the butterfly diagram, means last stage of the butterfly diagram? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is regarding stage number 1. These are the equations for stage number 1. Okay. Stage 1 equations. So as you can see, the outputs means the result are x of k, and results is dependent on the inputs, of course. બરાબર, પ્રોસેસ કોના પર ડિપેન્ડ હોય? ઇનપુટ પર ડિપેન્ડ હોય. That's why g of 0 and h of 0, g of 1, h of 1 means g of k and h of k are serving as input to this stage. Are you clear with this? Why g and h are at input and why x are at output? Are you clear with this? Say yes or no. ખબર પડે છે શું કહું છું? હા કે ના? x of k equal to છે, so put values of g and h and get values of x of k. So who is the input and who is the output?
G and H are input
G and
and
H are inputs. X is output.
Okay, and that's what we have followed in the butterfly diagram. At the input side we have g of k and h of k, and at the output side we have capital X of k. Is it like so or not? એવું જ હતું ને ભાઈ?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please make note of these two equations, g of k and h of k. I am going to ask you these two equations, right? And I am going to take one new page for further derivation. So before that, please make note of these g of k and h of k equations. I am going to ask you. I am not going to remember these things. લખાઈ લીધું નોટબુકમાં? લખી લીધું?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ઓકે.
Yes, sir.
ચાલો તો હવે આને ફર્ધર આપણે ડેસિમિનેટ કરીએ. ડેસિમિનેટ કરવું એટલે ભાગલા પાડવા, બરાબર? g of k is equal to summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of 2n into wn by 2 raised to nk. બરાબર છે? સાચું લખ્યું કે ખોટું લખ્યું?
સાચું છે, sir.
બરાબર છે. હવે અત્યારે h of નું નથી લખતો ઇક્વેશન, આનું જ રાખું છું. આને પહેલા ખતમ કરીએ, આના ડેસિમેશન પ્રોસેસને, પછી h of k નું લખીશું. તો જેમ પેલામાં બે ભાગલા પાડ્યા હતા એ જ રીતે આની અંદર પણ બે ભાગ પાડવાના છે, રાઈટ? a summation here plus a summation here. But before we write down anything, let's note down which were the terms in g of k. Which are the terms involved in g of k? In g of k, you have x of 0 for n equal to 0. You have x of 2 for n equal to 1. You have x of 4 for n equal to 2. And you have x of 6 for n equal to 3. Now, club these two together and club these two together for this new summation, right? Because all these things are even. We cannot say that I am now going to disseminate in even and odd, but you know that even and odds are adjacent, right? That's why let's club these two together and let's club these two together. So in first term I should have the first term should pick up x of 0 and x of 4, and second summation should pick up x of 2 and x of 6. The first term should pick up x of 0 when n is equal to 0. The first term should pick up x of 4 when n is equal to 1, right? So what should be the limit? N equal to 0 to, can you tell me the ending limit? Now instead of 4 we have two numbers of samples. Hello, are you getting my question? ખબર
N
પડે
by
છે
2
શું?
minus 1 by 2.
Repeat please.
N by 2 minus 1 whole by 2.
મૂકી જો શું આવે n by 2 is how much 4 4 minus 1 is 3 3 by 2 is how much 1.5 is it a valid number no
Sir, n by 4 minus 1.
yes you are correct it should be n by 4 minus 1 right n is 8 8 by 4 is how much 2 2 minus 1 is 1 so n is ranging from 0 to 1 and in doing so it is iterating for 2 times means it is going to pick up 2 samples for it do you agree with me say yes or no
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay so n by 4 minus 1 n by 4 minus 1 now help me out to write down something here that will pick up the required things x of શું લખું તો 0 મળે પહેલા n equal to 0 માટે અને પછી 4 મળે
4n.
yes 4n એકલું yes only 4n is valid what about this what about this
4n minus
4n minus બોલો
2.
4n minus 2 કરી જોઈએ n equal to 0 મૂકો તો શું આવે -2 આવે આપણે શું લાવવાનો છે +2 લાવવાનો છે તો શું આવે આન્સર રિપીટ પ્લીઝ
Plus.
પ્લસ એટલે આખું બોલો
4n plus 2. 4n plus
yes
2.
it should be 4n plus 2 okay 4n plus 2 now let's decide the Tweedle factors w raised to now here we have n by 2 so n by 2 raised to nk instead of n what should I write instead of n what should I write
4n.
આ 4n છે એ 4n લખવું જોઈએ ના અહીંયા જેમ g of k ના ઇક્વેશનમાં 2n હતું 2n નું ડબલ કરવાથી 4n થાય એટલે અહીંયા મારે શું લખવું જોઈએ n ને શેના વડે રિપ્લેસ કરવું જોઈએ
2n.
2n વડે પ્લીઝ બી કેરફુલ અબાઉટ ઇટ હા અહીંયા 2n થી રિપ્લેસ કરવું પડશે મારે સો ધીસ વિલ બી k into 2n and similarly what about this 4n plus 2 અને પહેલા શું હતું 2n plus 1 તો અહીંયા મારે શું લખવું પડે k into
2 into 2n plus 1.
yes 2n plus 1 આ રીતે આમાં તો વિચારી લીધું પણ હવે આપણે આગળ જોઈશું કે h of k માં આ રીતે કરવા જઈશું તો ઇક્વાલિટી હોલ્ડ નથી થતી આમાં તમે n equal to બધી વસ્તુ મૂકીને ઓરિજિનલ ઇક્વેશન જોડે મેચ કરશો તો એ આવી જશે પણ આગળ h of k માં નહીં આવે બરાબર એ આવશે ત્યારે જોઈશું પણ અત્યારે આપણને બરાબર લાગે છે હા કે ના હેલો
Yes, sir.
okay
Yes,
then
sir.
let us proceed right I am giving you guarantee that this is correct and for the sake of cross checking you need to equate it you need to check it with respect to the original equation કે જ્યારે અહીંયા n equal to 0 મૂકો ત્યારે x of 0 જોડે original equation માં w raised to 0 હતો તો અહીંયા પણ 0 જ આવવો જોઈએ અહીંયા n equal to 1 મૂકો then you are picking up x of 4 then original equation માં જે હતું એ Tweedle factor અહીંયા પણ આવવું જોઈએ વગેરે વગેરે okay એટલે this way you can verify the things okay but now let us proceed further this is equal to summation n equal to 0 to n by 4 minus 1 x of 4n into w બોલો શું આવશે હવે આ 2 ને મારે નીચે લેવો છે
n by 4 raised to kn.
yes n by 4 raised to kn and similarly what about this term
X of 4n plus 2.
then
W n by 4 raised to kn into w n by 2 raised to k.
yes n by 4 raised to kn into w n by 2 raised to k okay so you know that this term, which term? This term can be taken in the common, right? So putting it over here, we have this thing available with us. So let us give some nomenclature over here like we did for g of k and h of k. Sorry, x of k. X of k equal to g of k plus wn raised to k into h of k. Similarly, doing over here, I can write down p of k, right, plus wn by 2 raised to k into q of k. So let me just note down the equations for p of k and q of k. This is equal to n equal to 0 to n by 4 minus 1 x of 4n wn by 4 raised to kn, and similarly q of k is equal to summation n equal to 0 to n by 4 minus 1 x of 4n plus 2 wn by 4 raised to kn. Please note down these equations because I am going to ask you. I am not going to recollect it by myself. I will ask you and you will have to reply. Please note down all the equations, especially g of k equal to p of k plus wn raised to k into q of k, and separate equations for p of k and q of k. Note it down in your notebook and also take the snap. And when get it complete, then tell me that you have completed. Hello, I am waiting.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. જો પૂછીશ ગમે ત્યારે તૈયાર રહેજો એના માટે. Okay. So similarly, let me prove for h of k. H of k is equal to summation n equal to 0 to બરાબર છે કે નહીં બોલજો? બરાબર છે?
Yes, sir.
हाँ sir.
Okay. So let us first note down the components of h of k. H of k do have which components? X of 1, 3, 5, 7, correct? When I put n equal to 0, it becomes x of 1. When I put n equal to 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 4 plus 1 is 5. And then 6 plus 1 is 7. Is it correct? 1, 3, 5, 7.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you know that in the first summation that I am going to make here, I need to club these two together, and in second summation I need to club these two together. So let us arrange the equation for the same. What should be the limit?
N equal to 0 to n by 4
0 to n by
minus
4
1.
minus 1.
Yes, n equal to 0 to, so x of something, okay, બોલો શું આવશે? 1 and 5.
4n plus 1.
Yes, it should be 4n plus 1. And similarly, what about this?
4n plus 3.
Yes, it should be 4n plus 3. Now we need to decide the twiddle factor, and it is a bit tricky because the k term here 4n plus, here it is not 4, this is all term, so you cannot relate it like previous one. It is not exact double than the previous index, right? So now we need to think about it, and for the same, just go on writing I am going to write down on the board. Later on we will think about it, right? First step to understand is to make note of something I am going to write here. So write down with me x of phi into e raised to minus j 2 pi k n. 2 pi k n. What about the n? N is,
Phi.
yes, n is phi. Four n, yes, barabar. Divide by 8. Okay. So this is equal to, this is in original, right? So in original equation of the DFT, the x of phi was having this Tudel factor. Just make note of this thing. In original equation of DFT. So this is equal to, this is equivalent to x of phi into e raised to minus j 2 pi k into 4 plus 1 divide by 8. Okay. This is equal to x of phi. So the e raised to x of phi into e raised to minus j 2 pi. Yes, it is 4 into 2 is 8. So 8 in the denominator, 8 in the numerator will cancel. So ultimately this is equal to e raised to how much? E raised to how much?
J pi k.
Pi k. Okay. Into e raised to, there is one more
E raised to minus J pi k by 4.
2 pi into
K by 8.
into k by 8. So okay, like this. So x of phi into e raised to minus j pi k and e raised to minus j pi k by 4. So this can be further written as x of phi into e raised to minus j pi k into we have put at 8 directly. Let's not put 8 directly. Let us first put n by 2 instead of 8. So this becomes equal to j pi k. Okay. So n by 2. J pi k by n by 2. N by 2. Okay. So this is equal to, let me remove these things. This is equal to x of phi into e raised to minus j 2 pi k into 4 divide by n by 2 into e raised to minus j 2 pi k divided by n by 2. So this is equal to x of phi into, now n is 8, right? So n is 8. So in the denominator I have 4. 4 gets cancelled. So it is e raised to minus j 2 pi k. Minus j 2 pi k. Is it correct? 8 by 2 is 4. 4 is cancelled. So something remaining is e raised to j 2 pi k. Similarly here I have e raised to minus j. N is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. Pi k by 2. Okay. So now I can rewrite this as e raised to minus j 2 pi by n by 4, and please mind it that n by 4 is how much? It is 2. So I need to further raise the power by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled. So 2k. And what about the n? Oh, n is the, let me put n equal to n only here. Let me put n equals to small n here. So no need to take this one. No need to take this one. No need to take this one. And we have n somewhere. Where is n? 2 pi k. So n into n. So 2 pi k. Okay. J 2 pi k n by 2. N by 2. Yes, we have now n by 2 raised to how much? N. Now this is fine. So again I have x of phi into e raised to minus j 2 pi k. N by 2 is how much? It is 8 by 2 is 4. 4. So instead of n by 2, if I wish to put n by 4, then I need to raise this power to how much? N by 2. 2, yes. 2 into 2 is 4. So is this correct? અહીંયા 2 આવશે કે 0.5 આવશે? Think about it. n by 2. n by 2 ની જગ્યાએ n by 4 મૂકવો છે.
Sir, 1/2 ના
હા, એટલે હું એ જ વિચારું છું કે ભૂલ થાય છે કે શું થાય છે. n by 2 અને n by 4 મૂકવો છે. n by 4 is equal to n by 2 into 1 by 2. એટલે અહીંયા n by 4 મૂક્યો છે અને n by 2 રહેવો જોઈએ. એટલે 2 by 2 એવું કરવું પડે. 2 by 2 એવું કરવું પડે. યસ 2 by 2 મારે કરવું પડે. હા, બરાબર છે. અહીંયા n by 4 મૂકવા માટે મારે શું કરવું પડે? 2n by 4 કરવો પડે. Right? This should be 2n by 4. Then and then this will be equal. આને ભૂલી જાઓ હમણાં. આ n by 2 ને હું 2n by 4 લખી શકું? Yes, I can do it, right? So cancelling these two, I have this is equal to x of phi e raised to minus j 2 is cancelled, so pi into k divided by n by 4, right? So x of phi into e raised to minus j 2 pi स्मॉल एन का जतो हाँ स्मॉल एन ने पण अंदर लावी दઈએ एन स्मॉल एन हियर 2 पाई के एन डिवाइड बाय एन बाय 4 नहीं 2 पाई पाई बाई एन बाई 4 raised to j2 raised to के एन करिए के एन तो आई गयो के एन बाई 2 आउ लखी सकाय दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस ओके हाँ I am doing mistake somewhere. Okay. Let me first write it down, then I will prove it. W n raised to 2nk. And similarly here it is W n by 2 raised to yes of course n by 2 raised to 2nk, n by 2 raised to 2nk into Wn by 2 raised to k. Please bear with me. I will be proving this term, right? That why it should be 2nk. Why not 2nk plus 1 or something similar, right? But I am not going to do it right now. I'll be proving it later, or I will give you in the written. So don't worry about it. Let us believe like this. Then I can write it down to be equal to b of k plus Wn by 2 raised to k into c of k. Just similar to the form we got for g of k. For g of k, this is equal to p of k plus Wn by 2 raised to k into q of k, and similarly for h of k we have b of k into Wn by 2 raised to c of k. Okay, now this two equations, that is h of k equal to this and g of k equal to p of k plus Wn by 2 raised to k q of k. With this set of equations you can draw the relation for second stage. You know that inputs for second stage are p, q, b, c and outputs are h and k. Output of second stage is actually input for the first stage, right? Can you recall it? Say yes or no. Output for second stage, here is my second stage, this is my first stage. So output of second stage is input for first stage. This is stage 1, this is second stage. So output of second stage is input for first stage. Say yes or no. बराबर છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means h of k's and g of k's and h of k's are over here. H of k and g of k are the inputs for the first stage and output of second stage, and similarly the input of second stage are p of k, q of k, b of k and c of k. So I will have something like p of 0 here, then p of 1 here, then q of 0 here, q of 1 here, Similarly, b of 0 here, then b of 1 here, c of 0, and then c of 2. You know that range is from 0 to n by 4 minus 1. That's why total p terms will be 2. Total q terms will be 2. Similarly, total b and c terms will also be 2. That's why p0 and p1 only. That's why q0 and q1 only. Similarly, for b and c. Do you agree with me? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So with this, you can relate something we have drawn for the second stage. Now, I have already told you that you need to derive the equations for how many times? For p minus n, p minus 1 times. P is 3, 3 minus 1, 2. So already you have derived for 2 times, right? પહેલા શેના માટે derive કર્યું? First you have derived for g of k and h of k. You have found out the relation between capital X of k, capital G of k, and capital H of k. That's your first derivation. Then you have derived for, then you have decimated G of k and H of k, and you have found out the relation between G of k, Q of k, G of k with P of k and Q of k inputs, output H of k with B of k and C of k inputs, right? So this is your second derivation, and from the second derivation only we are going to find the relation for third stage. So you don't need to derive again for the third stage. The equation for third stage are already there in equation of P of k, Q of k, B of k, and C of k. That's why the total numbers of derivation required is p minus 1. Let's see how. See, equation of P of k is equal to summation n equal to 0 to n by 4 minus 1 x of 4n plus 1 into wn by 2 raised to 2nk, or similarly I can write down summation n equal to 0 to n by 4 minus 1 x of 4n plus 1 into w n by 4 raised to nk. Is it valid? Is it valid? Hello, is it valid? ओ भाई बराबर છે n by 2 ને n by 4 2n की जगह આપણે हाँ
P of k में तो x of 4n था.
यस दिस इज h of k, राइट. सो यहाँ 4n आएगा. नाउ इज इट करेक्ट? बराबर છે भाई? હવે બરાબર છે?
Yes, sir.
ઓકે. So now, releasing this, we have x of 0 into w2 raised to 0. See, n by 4 is w2 raised to p of 0, right? So k is 0. So w2 raised to 0 plus x of 1 into, because n is now varied from 0 to 1. The last limit of n in this equation is how much? This is 1. 0 and 1. N by 4 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So if you put n equal to 1 here, then this becomes, this becomes x of 4. So x of 4 into w 2 raised to 0. Correct? Yes or no? w2 raised to 0. बराबर છે भाई?
W2 raised to 1.
Nk, k is how much? K is 0. See, p of k is 0.
Okay, sir.
बराबर. So W2 raised to 0 is equal to 1 because W2 is how much? E raised to minus j 2 pi by n by 4. N by how much? No, n by yes, n by 4. N by 4 is 2. That's why n by 4 in the denominator. Right? Raised to how much is the kn? 0. So it is e raised to 0. That's why this is equal to 1. So if I replace W2 raised to 0 with 1, then it is simply x of 0 into W2 raised to 0 plus x of 4. Or similarly speaking, I can also write down this is just equal to x of 0 plus x of 4 into W2 raised to 0. Or else I can also write down x of 0 plus x of 4. All three equations are valid. Say yes or no. बराबर છે આ equations?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But we need to be careful about the symmetry while drawing the butterfly diagram. And that's why in the cross term, we know that in the cross term, we are generally putting the Tweedle factor with the bottom one. That is over here. This is my x of 0 and this is my x of 4. So let W2 raised to 0 be here and let us take x of 0 directly like we are taking all the upper signals or upper terms directly without Tweedle factors. Okay. પતંગિયાની ઉપરની પાંખની સાથે જે સિગ્નલ આવે છે એને આપણે ટ્વિડલ ફેક્ટર વગર ડાયરેક્ટલી લઈએ છીએ, બરાબર છે. જ્યારે એકની જગ્યાએ બે સિગ્નલની એક વિંગ બનતી હતી એ વખતે પણ આવું હતું ને, બરાબર. 1 2 3 4 આવું હોય, બે નીચે આવતા હતા, બે ઉપર જતા હતા, તો અહીંયા શું લખતા હતા? ટ્વિડલ ફેક્ટર નીચે જ લખતા હતા. અહીંયા W4 raised to 0 and W4 raised to 1. We don't write Tweedle factor over here in the upper signal. So similarly, let us not write the Tweedle factor in the upper signal. So my equation becomes x of 0 into x of 4 into W2 raised to 0. That is this second form. Do you agree with me? Say yes or no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right? Otherwise, all of these three equations are going to give you the same result. If you do x of 0 plus x of 4, or you do x of 0 plus x of 4 into W2 raised to 0, or you do x of 0 into W2 raised to 0 plus x of 4, all these three equations are, or even fourth equation, x of 0 into W2 raised to 0 plus x of 4 into W2 raised to 0, which is again equal to square bracket x of 0 plus x of 4 whole into W2 raised to 0. So all of these five equations are going to give you the same result because ultimately W2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. That's why. So let us, for the sake of maintaining the symmetry, let us take the second form of equation, right? And can you now correlate the derived equation with the butterfly diagram we have drawn in the first lecture? Say yes or no. For the third stage, P of 0 આવી રીતે મળે છે તો P of 1 ની અંદર શું આવે? Try to find out the P of 1 from the equation of P of k. It will be equal to P of 1 equal to how much? બોલો.
X of 4.
Terms તો એ જ આવવાની છે, x of 0 into W2 raised to 0, right? Then x of 4 into W2 raised to 0 again, બરાબર છે ને? હા કે ના? Sorry, 1, W2 raised to 1. X of 0 into W2 raised to 1. Let me write it down. P of 1 equal to, જો આ ઇક્વેશનમાં શું છે? This is equal to x of 0 because n is 0 into how much? W2 raised to nk. What about n? N is 0. N is 0, right? So the first term is 0 because n is 0. We have to see both things, n as well as k. In previous equation, k was 0. That's why with both of the terms we were having 0 here. બરાબર, પહેલી ટર્મમાં પણ x of 0 into wn by 4 raised to nk છે, તો n પણ 0 હતો અને k પણ 0 હતો. That's why w2 raised to 0 here. And similarly, when I was releasing the second term in this summation sign, then it was like x of 4 because n equal to 1 here. So x of 4 into wn by 4, that is w2 raised to, now n is 1 but k is 0. So w2 raised to 0 again. But now case is different. Now we are writing down for k equal to 1 and n is variable. For first term n is equal to 0. For second term n equal to 1. So for second term what can I write down? X of 4 into w2 raised to 1 into 1, that is 1. And w2 raised to 1 is equal to minus w2 raised to 0. w2 raised to 1 is equal to minus w2 raised to 0. So can I write it down as x of 0 minus w2 raised to 0 into x of 4? Is it valid? Is it valid?
Yes.
Okay. So that's what we are drawing in the first stage. કેવું હતું first stage? યાદ કરો. બરાબર, અહીંયા પાછું ડ્રો કરું છું તમારા રેફરન્સ માટે. My first signal is x of 0, second signal is x of 4. Using these signals only I can create p of 0 and p of 1. These are my first two output of third stage, and these are my first two inputs of the third stage, right? So what is the relation? It is like this. It is like this, with w2 raised to 0 here and with a minus sign here. Is it matching with the derived equation? X of 0, right? X of 0, that is this one, minus w2 raised to 0, that is this one, into x of 4. So this equation is matching. Similarly, equation of p of 0 is also matching. See, p of 0 equal to x of 0 plus x of 4 into w2 raised to 0. So that is going from this line. Okay. So both of these equations are now validated. And similarly, you can write down the equations for q of 0, q of 1, b of 0, b of 1, c of 0 and c of 1, etc. So no need to derive again for the third stage. The equations already derived in second stage can be used to draw the relation for the butterfly diagram of third stage, right? This is my third stage. Input stage is third stage. We have started drawing the butterfly diagram from stage number 1, which relates x of k and g of k and h of k. So this is my third stage. So equation of third stage can be derived from the equation of second stage only. For the same, you need to check the relation of p of k, q of k, b of k and c of k. Is it clear to you? Say yes or no. કશું છોડવાનું નથી. અહીંયા જે કંઈ મારી હમણાં એક જગ્યાએ હું ગૂંચવાઈ ગયો હતો એ હું તમને પ્રૂવ કરવાનો છું. એનાથી તમારો ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ ઓછો ના થવો જોઈએ. Just wait for some moment. We are also human. We can also get hang sometime, right? So up till now, is it acceptable for you leaving that one point? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let me first complete the other things. That is w2 raised to 0 is equal to minus w2 raised to 1, and similarly w2 raised to 0 is equal to w8 raised to 0 is equal to minus w8 raised to 4, and so and such other relations. Let me first derive those relations, right? Then we will concentrate on this part. Okay. So let me take new one. Have you taken the snap? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us start from W2 raised to 0 equal to minus W2 raised to 1. Let me prove this one first. You know W2 raised to 0 is equal to 1 always, because W, the Twiddle factor, is e raised to minus j 2 pi by n. So e raised to some power raised to 0 power. So ultimately e raised to 0 power, and you know e raised to 0 is equal to 1. So it can also be, you can also write it down as 1 plus j0 or 1 minus j0, but ultimately it is 1. Do you agree with this? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes,
let's derive for W2 raised to 1. So this is equal to e raised to minus j 2 pi by how much? What should I write in denominator? What should I write here?
N by 2.
N by 2? No.
N by
I
4.
something I should write down here should be equal to this. યાદ કરો કે અહીંયા જ્યારે 8 હતું ત્યારે અહીંયા n લખતો હતો, because n was itself 8. N itself
N by
was 8,
4.
right? So here I should write down 2 only. Do you agree with me? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Just be careful about the relation. Huh? We have taken Wn equal to e raised to minus j 2 pi by capital N. So n here and n here. If I put e raised to minus j 2 pi by n by 2, this is my W n by 2. So if I put 2 here, I must put 2 here. Do you agree with me? Again say yes or no. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
What about others? બધાને ખબર પડે છે ભાઈ?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. So now, what about this? This is equal to e raised to minus j pi. And this is further equal to cos pi minus j sin pi. What about cos pi? What about cos pi? Cos 180 કેટલા આવે?
Minus 1.
Yes, this is minus 1. And sin pi is 0. So minus 1 minus 0. W2 raised to 0 is 1 plus j0, and W2 raised to 1 is minus 1 plus j0, right? So can I say that W2 raised to 0 is equal to W2 raised to minus W2 raised to 1? Is it correct to address the relation like this? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is now proven. Now let's do the same thing for the first stage. We know that there are totally 4 Twiddle factors: W8 raised to 0, W8 raised to 1, W8 raised to 2, and W8 raised to 3. Equation of capital X of k is equal to G of k plus W, how much? Bolo, Wn raised to k into G of k. So using this identity, I can write down x of 0 equal to G of 0 plus W8 raised to 0 into H of 0. This is H, by the way, H of k. So H of 0. And similarly, if I write down for x of 4, then this is equal to G of 4 plus W8 raised to 4 into H of 4 equals to how much? Repeat it please. બોલો શું લખ્યું હતું આપણે આની જગ્યાએ? G of 0
Minus.
minus.
G of 0 minus.
હા, G of 0 તો આવશે ને, પણ G of 0 minus
W8 raised to 0 at 0.
yes, W8 raised to 0 into H of 0. So now I need to prove several things here, that G of 0 is equal to G of 4. Similarly, H of 0 is equal to H of 4, and W8 raised to 0 is equal to minus W8 raised to 4. Isn't it? हाँ के ना? बोलो. આવું પ્રૂવ કરવું પડે? હેલો, આર યુ ધેર? ઓ ભાઈ, બરાબર છે?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now let us first prove for the twiddle factor. You know that W8 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Now no need to prove it again. This is of exponential form and e raised to 0 is always 1. So no need to prove it again. Now what about W8 raised to 4? Just derive it. It is equal to e raised to minus j 2 pi by how much? बोलो नीचे શું લખું? શું લખું डिनोमिनेटर में? बोलो w e raised to j 2 pi by
8.
yes 8 whole raised to
4.
yes
4.
because you have 4 here, right? So this is equal to e raised to minus j 8 pi by 8, that is e raised to minus j pi, and you know e raised to minus j pi is equal to minus 1. Correct? હમણાં જ આપણે જોઈ ગયા ને e raised to minus j pi equal to minus 1. Cos pi minus j sin pi equal to minus 1. So can I also say that W8 raised to 0 is equal to minus W8 raised to 4? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
similarly, we can also prove that W8 raised to 1 is equal to minus W8 raised to 5. બરાબર છે? ચાલો પ્રૂવ કરીએ. W8 raised to 0 વાળું તો પ્રૂવ કરવું ઈઝી છે. આ કરીએ તારે સાચા. W8 raised to 1 is equal to how much? E raised to minus j 2 pi by 8. Now you know, right? This is to be put it here. Raised to how much? 1 equal to e raised to minus j pi by 4. So this is equal to cos pi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4. બોલો કેટલા આવે? cos pi by 4 cos 45 degree કેટલા આવે?
1 by root 2.
યસ, અને sin pi by 2 કેટલા આવે?
1 by root
1
2.
by root.
એ પણ એટલા જ આવે, બરાબર? 1 by root 2 એટલે કેટલા આવશે? 0.707. યસ, બરાબર. 1 by root 2 is 0.707, right? If you cannot find it out, then root 2 is equal to there is a root 2 in the denominator. So if I want to make it 2, then I need to multiply by root 2. So root 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. Root 2 is 1.41. 1.41 by 2 is 0.707. So minus j again 1 by root 2. So 0.707 minus j 0.707 is the answer for W8 raised to 1. Now let us figure out for W8 raised to 5. So W8 raised to 5 is equal to how much? E raised to minus j 2 pi by 8 raised to 5. This is equal to how much? E raised to minus j 5 pi by 4. Do you agree with me? Here there is a 2. Here there is 8. If we cancel, it is e raised to minus j pi by 4 whole raised to 5. So e raised to j pi by 4. Is it correct? Say yes or no. Hello,
Yes,
is
sir.
it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So cos pi 5 pi by 4, right? Minus j sin pi by 4. So how much is cos 5 pi by 4? 5
Minus
pi by
1 by
4
root
is
2.
actually 4 times 5 pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So cos 5 pi by 4 is just equal to cos,
5 plus pi by 4.
yes, pi by 4, because it is a periodic signal. So how much it is? This is also equal to
Minus 1 by root 2.
Is it so? Minus થશે cos
Yes,
pi.
sir.
Cos
Minus
pi
1
plus
by
pi by 4.
So minus 1 by root 2, and find it out for this. How much it is?
minus 1 by root 2.
Plus j pi by
Because minus plus,
1
so
by root
j
2.
by root 2. So this is having opposite sign, then W8 raised to 1. આ તમે સાચું શોધ્યું છે ને? આ જવાબદારી તમારી પર નાખું છું. બરાબર છે ને?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर
Yes,
बराबर
sir.
Okay, so it means that W8 raised to 1 is equal to minus W8 raised to 5. And similarly, you can prove for W8 raised to 2 is equal to minus W8 raised to 6. W8 raised to 3 is equal to minus W8 raised to 7. Okay? बराबर છે? હા કે ના?
Yes, sir.
બરાબર છે? આવી રીતે થશે ને બાકીના બે માટે પ્રૂવ થશે ને? હા કે ના? બોલો ભાઈ બધા.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर
અને સિમિલરલી
Yes, sir.
8 ની જગ્યાએ જો અહીંયા w ના સફિક્સમાં 4 હોય તો પણ આ જ રીતે પ્રૂવ કરવાનું. એ હું તમને કરીને નથી બતાવતો. લેટ મી નાઉ પ્રૂવ G0 equal to G4 and H0 equal to H4, right? Let me take new one. So G0, capital G of 0 is how much? This is equal to n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of 2n, I think. બરાબર છે? Is this correct? Say yes or no. G of k.
यस सर
Yes, sir.
લખ્યો છે? ઓ ભાઈ, is this
Yes,
the
sir.
correct equation? Okay. કોઈ બોલતું જ નથી ભાઈ.
सर बोलिया था
ખાલી બે જણ બોલ્યા હતા ને, તું અને રિયા. બીજું કોણ બોલ્યું? You need to remember these equations, huh? By the way. Okay, G of 0 is equal to how much? Summation. Okay, and summation n equal to 0 to how much? N by 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 0 to 3 x of 2n into w n by 2 is 4 raised to how much is k? K is 0. So w4 raised to 0. So this is just equal to summation n equal to 0 to 3 x of 2n. Releasing the summation sign, we have small x of 0 plus small x of 2 plus small x of 4 plus small x of 6. Is it correct? Hello.
यस सर
Yes,
इट्स
sir.
करेक्ट
Now let us find out for G of 4. G of 4 is equal to n equal to 0 to 3. Limit is same. X of 2n into w4 because n by 2. So w4 raised to how much is k? K is 4. 4 into n. So releasing we have summation. Okay, don't take summation. Now release it directly. So x of 0 into w4 raised to how much? 0. Because n is 0, right? Plus x of 1 into w4 raised to how much? This is equal to 4, right? Similarly, what about the next term? X of 2 into w4 raised to
8.
yes 8 plus x of 3 into w4 raised to how much? 12.
12.
Okay, you know w4 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So this is equal to x of 0 plus, now let us find out for w4 raised to 4. This is equal to e raised to minus j 2 pi by 4 whole raised to 4. So this is equal to e raised to minus j 2 pi and this is equal to cos 2 pi minus j sin 2 pi. You know sin 2 pi is 0. What about cos 2 pi?
1.
Cos 2 pi is 1. બરાબર છે? cos 0 પર જે આવે તે જ cos 2 pi પર આવે. cos 0 આપણે cos નું વેવફોર્મ ક્યાંથી સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ છીએ? From the peak, right? So cos 2 pi is also 1. As cos 2 pi is 1 and j sin 2 pi is 0, so it is 1 minus j0. So this is just equal to 1. So can I simplify this one as x of 1 only? Yes or no? Can I
Yes, sir.
simplify
Yes,
this?
sir.
Okay. Now what about w4
Sir, it
raised
will
to
be
8?
x of 2.
Yes, it will be x of 2 and similarly this will be x of
X of 6.
नहीं सर, वो
which one?
ये सेकंड टर्म x of 2 एक्चुअली ऊपर ही गलत हो गया ना, x of 0, x of 2, x of 4 और x of 6 आएंगे ना.
When I put n equal to 1, yes, yes, yes. You mean to say here x of 2 because n equal to 1, so x of 2. So this is 2. This is how much?
4.
4. And this is
6.
6. Okay. So 2, then 4, then 6. Because W4 raised to 8 is also 1 and W4 raised to 12 is also 1. You may derive it later on by this method, right? By this method. So both of these things are same. So can we now say that g of 0 is equal to g of 4? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Similarly, you can prove g of 1 equal to g of 5. So do it at your home, right? But let me show you for h of 0 is equal to h of 4. એટલું મને ખાલી બતાવી દેવા દો. Let us check that also. H of 0 is equal to how much? Summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of how much? 2n plus 1
2n plus 1.
wn by 2 raised to kn. Now because of the symmetry in the equation, it is easy to remember them, right? But you need to revise these things frequently, otherwise at the time of examination you will forget it, right? So please do good amount of repetition, very frequently. Okay, now what about this? H of 0 is equal to how much? This is for h of k. What about h of 0? H of 0 is equal to summation n equal to 0 to 3 x of 2n plus 1 into w how much? What should be the suffix? 4 raised to 0 because k is 0. So this is just equal to x of 0 plus x of 3 plus x of 5 plus x of 7. Correct?
सर
बराबर
फर्स्ट वाला
है?
x of 1 होगा.
Yes, x of
0
1.
and k 1.
Yes, correct, because here we have 1. You are correct. Now similarly, let us find for h of 4. Summation n equal to 0 to 3 again, x of 2n plus 1, w4 raised to how much? K is 4, so 4n. So releasing this, we have x of 1 into w4 raised to 0 plus, correct? बराबर है? हाँ. So similarly, x of 3 into w4 raised to how much? 4 plus x of 5 w4 raised to how much? 8 plus x of 7 w4 raised to how much?
12.
We have just proved that w4 raised to 0 equal to w4 raised to 4 equal to w4 raised to 8 equal to w4 raised to 12 equal to 1. So can I write it down as x of 1 plus x of 3 plus x of 5 plus x of 7? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So h of 0 is also ultimately equal to h of 4. And later on at your home you can also prove the other terms like p of 0 is equal to બોલો શું આવશે? P of 0 equal to P of 1 એવું આવે? એવું આવે ભાઈ? ના આવે. શું આવે?
No.
શું આવે તો? બોલો શું આવે? ડાયાગ્રામ જુઓ અને બોલો. બીજી ટર્મ્સ બોલો. કઈ કઈ આવશે? બીજી આવી કઈ ટર્મ્સ આવશે બોલો? બીજી કોઈ ટર્મ આવશે ભાઈ? હા કે ના?
No, sir.
હા, પતી ગઈ તો આટલું બોલો. Because we have only two stages. But if the butterfly were asked for the 16-point sequence or 32-point sequence, then you would have more numbers of stages, and that's why similar more terms will exist, and you need to prove for them also if question is will be asked for the for more marks, right? So now it's time to draw the butterfly diagram for capital N equal to 16. Instead of N equal to 8, now now I have N equal to 16. So there are totally 16 numbers of samples in my sequence. So how many stages will be there? P equal to
4.
yes, 4. Let us draw for 4. Let me take a line here. I need to draw 16 numbers of line. Control C, Control V. Can I copy? Yes, it should be possible. Control C, right? It's possible. How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 થઈ ગઈ. બરાબર? હવે બીજી 8 મારે ડ્રો કરવાની છે. Okay. Let us almost equally divide it into 4 parts. Stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Now here you need to write down the bit reverse number, right, at the input side, and at the output you need to write down in the natural sequence. So capital X of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be careful, you must write down in the capital. Capital belongs to the frequency domain information, as you know. X of 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. ગભરાઈ ગયા કે બરાબર છે? 15 જ આવશે કે 16 આવશે? Yes, 15, because up to n minus 1. That's why. So now we need to draw the signal, 8 signals towards bottom side and 8 signals towards upside, right? So from here, where should I take the signal? બોલો ક્યાં મારે જોડવું જોઈએ? क्या આવશે બોલો?
X of 7.
7 के 8?
7.
8.
Yes, it should be 8. Why? Why up to 8? Why up to 8 બોલો? હા, 8 સુધી કેમ લઈ જવું પડે? 7 સુધી કેમ નહીં? What is the reason? You need to skip half the samples. બરાબર, ટોટલ 16 ના અડધા સેમ્પલ છોડો, 8. તો 8 સેમ્પલ ક્યાં પૂરા થાય છે? At x of 7. So your signal should go to the next signal, that is x of 8. Is it correct? બરાબર છે ભાઈ?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now I am not going to draw all the lines, 8 numbers of lines like these. Instead, let me write down the Tweedale factor here. W બોલો શું આવશે? W Tweedale factor નું નામ બોલો. W suffix માં શું આવશે?
16.
Yes,
16 raised to 0.
16 raised to 0. Then W 16 raised to 1.
1.
Then W 16 raised to 2. W 16 raised to 3. W 16 raised to 4. W 16 raised to 5. W 16 raised to 6. And similarly W 16 raised to 7. And from this a signal will go like this. This will make capital X of 0. And in between these 2 points I need to put -1. Similarly -1 here, -1 here, -1 here. Okay. Now let us draw the butterflies for second stage. This is stage 1. This is stage 2. બોલો શું કરું? શું કરવાનું છે બોલો? ક્યાંથી ક્યાં આવશે? નામ પછીની નામ પછી આપણે આપીએ, અથવા નામ આપી જ દેવા હોય તો આના આઉટપુટને શું લખાય? G અને H જ નામ આપું તો શું આવશે આ? This is my G of 0, G of 1, G of 2, G of 3, G of 4, G of 5, G of 6, G of 7. This is H of 0, H of 1, H of 2, H of 3, H of 4, 5, 6 and 7. હવે નામ ધારો કે હું અહીંયા ઇનપુટમાં શું આપું? P અને Q, B અને C આપું તો એની રેન્જ શું આવશે? P0, P1 આગળ આવશે? બોલો.
P2, P3.
Yes,
P2, P3.
P2, P3, correct. Then
Q0,
yes, very
Q1,
correct.
Q2, Q3.
Q1, Q2, Q3. Similarly,
B0 to B3 and C0 to C3.
yes, C0, C1, C2 and C3. હવે મારે ક્યાંથી ક્યાં પોઈન્ટ મૂકવા જોઈએ? P0 થી ક્યાં જશે?
P4.
આઉટપુટ પર જાય. P0 થી P4 પર જાય?
G, G.
Yes, P0 to G4. You are correct. And અહીંયા G0 પર ક્યાંથી લેવાનું મારે? Q0 પરથી, બરાબર? But before that I need to put a twiddle factor and then it can be routed to G0. What should be the twiddle factor here? W8 ke W4? W4 raised to 0. Is it correct? Say yes or no.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
W8,
W8
N by 2.
हाँ तो n by 2 आवे तो શું આવે? This is 16. Okay, so W8. You are correct. This is W8. What about the second one? W8 raised to શું આવે ભાઈ? બોલો. W8 raised to શું આવે?
1.
हाँ, પછી W8 raised to 2, W8 raised to 3.
3.
એ મૂકવાનું મારે? પછીના ચારમાં મૂકવાનું?
No.
No.
પછીના ચારમાં મૂકવાનું?
हाँ, C वालों में आएगा.
हाँ, W8 raised to 0,
0.
W8 raised to 1, W8 raised to 2, W8 raised to 3. Why we should not put any twiddle factor here? Because there are two butterflies becoming here, right? These 8 numbers of signals are forming one butterfly and remaining 8 numbers of signals are forming another butterfly, and you know that top side wing is empty from the twiddle factor. So here we don't need to write twiddle factor, whereas for the bottom 4 signals, bottom 4 numbers of signals, we need to write twiddle factors. Is it clear? Say yes or no. ભાઈ બરાબર છે?
Yes, sir.
પછી આ રીતે સિગ્નલ ડ્રો કરતા આવડે ને? બરાબર, બધા ડ્રો કરી દેવાના. અને -1 દરેક ટ્વિડલ ફેક્ટરની જોડે આવશે, એટલે અહીંયા -1, અહીંયા -1, અહીંયા -1, -1. હું આખો ડ્રો નથી કરતો, એક્ઝામમાં તમારે આખો ડ્રો કરવાનો છે, એ ધ્યાન રાખજો. -1. હવે આગલું ડ્રો કરતા આવડે? અહીંયાનું સ્ટેજ 3. હા કે ના?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
સ્ટેજ 4 પણ આવડે, બરાબર? સ્ટેજ 4 સૌથી ઈઝી છે. કેટલા બટરફ્લાય આવશે એમાં? દરેક સ્ટેજમાં કેટલા બટરફ્લાય આવે છે?
Previous से आधे. नहीं, previous से double.
यानी कितने? How many butterflies in each stage? How many butterflies in each stage? बोलो कितने आएंगे?
8 थर्ड स्टेज सर.
थर्ड स्टेज के अंदर, थर्ड नहीं, लास्ट स्टेज के अंदर 8 आएंगे, क्योंकि एक बटरफ्लाई कितने सिग्नल से बना हुआ है? एक ही सिग्नल से बना हुआ है. जबकि यहाँ ये बड़ा वाला बटरफ्लाई कितने सिग्नल से बना हुआ है? It comprises of 8 numbers of signals in a wing. So there is totally one number of butterfly here. Then 2 butterfly in stage 2. Then 4 butterfly in stage 3. And then 8 butterfly in stage 4. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Okay. So now let us find out the bit reverse number. Very first number should be 0, as you know. What should be the next one? What should be the next bit reverse number? 0 के बाद में क्या आएगा?
4.
4 आएगा.
4.
Here we have n equal to 16, तो 4 आएगा.
8.
Yes, it should be 8. And then we need to find out the other terms. तो पहले 8 का बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट लिखो, कितना आएगा? 1 0 0 0, और उसमें हमको 8 ऐड करना है, बराबर. पहले 0 0 0 0 में 1 0 0 ऐड किया, तब दूसरा नंबर हमको 8 मिला. अभी तीसरा नंबर ढूंढने के लिए वापस 1 0 0 मुझे ऐड करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, that is 8. So now adding this, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry here, so 1 here, so 0 here, so 0 here, so this is x of क्या है? 4.
4.
उसके बाद क्या आएगा? देखो 1 0 0 ऐड करोगे तो क्या आएगा? 1 1 0 0. क्या आया? बोलो. 12. उसके बाद क्या आएगा? देखो 1 plus 1 is 0 0 1 0. कितना आया? x of
2.
2.
चलो उसके बाद क्या आएगा? देखो जल्दी
X
बोलो.
of 10.
यस, उसके बाद x of 10 आएगा. उसके बाद क्या आएगा?
X of 6.
x of 6.
So
4 plus 2 is 6. Again add 1 0 0. This is 1 1 1 0. How much is it? कितना आएगा बोलो?
14.
14. इस तरह से बाकी के सारे ढूंढो, और ये आपका इस तरह से बटरफ्लाई डायग्राम कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं, बराबर. नाउ in tomorrow's morning lecture we will try to understand how to form equation using this butterfly diagram, or using the set of equations we have derived to draw the butterfly diagram, or to derive the set of equations for DIT IFFT algorithm. We have done for DIT FFT algorithm, fast Fourier transform. Now we are going to understand it for inverse fast Fourier transform. So from this set of equations only, or from this butterfly diagram only, we will be deriving the butterfly for IFFT algorithm. And similarly for equations also, from butterfly we can draw the butterfly of IFFT, and from equations we can write down the equations for IFFT. Is it clear? Say yes or no. ખબર પડે શું કરવાના છે?
yes sir.
સારું, ખબર પડી હોય તો હવે એમ કહો કે કાલે જે આપણે કરવાના છે એમાં આઉટપુટ શું આવશે અને ઇનપુટ શું આવશે?
આઉટપુટ બીટ રિવર્સ આવશે અને ઇનપુટ સિક્વન્સમાં.
ના ના, શું આવશે એવું કહું છું, કેવું આવશે નથી કહેતો. What will be the output? Capital X of K or small x of n?
Small x of n.
Yes, small x of n will be the output, because inverse fast Fourier transform calculates small x of n, that is time domain samples from the frequency domain samples x of k. So frequency domain samples x of k will be the inputs, and small x of n, that is time domain samples, will be the outputs. Okay, આખો ડાયાગ્રામ ઊંધો ડ્રો કરવાનો છે. That will be our tomorrow's exercise. With this, let me finish the lecture. એક પોઈન્ટ પેલો રહી ગયો છે પ્રૂવ કરવાનો, એ આપણે કાલે પ્રૂવ કરીશું, રાઈટ. Let me stop recording. Thank you.